Close your eyes, if only for a moment. Breathe deeply. Feel the world around you, a world alive with change, filled with energy and possibility. This is no ordinary time. We are at the edge of a new world, a moment where each choice, each intention, and each heartbeat shapes the future. Today, we embark on a journey through the heart of transformation. Reimagining prosperity, a new economy for all. Imagine an economy where wealth isn't just numbers on a screen, but true well-being for all. Imagine a world where prosperity flows in harmony with our highest values: compassion, sustainability, unity. Today we face choices: protectionism or globalization, competition or collaboration. But what if true prosperity meant uplifting everyone? Picture an economy that serves people first, where businesses are guided by purpose, where wealth flows from the heart. This isn't about policies, it's a new way of being. Together we can create an economy that empowers, that supports, that loves. This is the wealth of the future. A wealth that reflects the abundance of the earth, the brilliance of human spirit. Let's be the generation that redefines prosperity. The new American dream home as sacred space. Now think about the word home, what it means, how it feels. For many, home ownership is a dream that feels out of reach as housing prices soar and mortgage rates climb. But imagine a world where everyone has a space that nurtures, a place that brings peace. Picture neighborhoods that aren't just built for living but for thriving, where people know each other, where homes are part of the earth, designed with sustainability, filled with love. This isn't just a financial issue, it's a question of humanity, of belonging. Together we can make the dream of home ownership a reality for all, creating spaces that reflect the sacredness of home, a world where every person has a place to call their own. Aging with dignity, honoring every stage of life. Life is a journey, and as we age, we move from building outward to building inward. But for too many, aging comes with uncertainty, rising healthcare costs, limited options, a sense of fear. Imagine a world where aging is celebrated, where every elder is honored, where every stage of life is seen as sacred. Picture communities where healthcare is a right, not a privilege, where elders are surrounded by support, by joy, by dignity. This isn't just about policies, it's about values, about how we care for each other. Together, let's create a world where every person can age with peace, with dignity, with love. Let's be the generation that reclaims honor for every stage of life. Privacy in the digital world is a sacred right. In our digital age, data has become as valuable as gold. Recently, we learned of major cybersecurity breaches. Hackers infiltrating sensitive systems, accessing private information. This isn't just a security issue, it's a question of ethics, of trust. Imagine a future where technology respects privacy, where information is treated with honor, where digital spaces are safe. Picture a world where cybersecurity isn't just about defense, but about integrity, where every person has control over their own information. Together, we can build a digital world that reflects the highest values, a world of trust, of respect, of safety. Let's protect the sanctity of our digital lives. Global peace, redefining power. Across the world, nations wrestle for power. Tensions between countries escalate, fueling a cycle of fear and retaliation. But imagine a world where true power lies not in dominance, but in compassion, where nations come together not for control, but for collaboration, for peace. Picture leaders who see beyond borders, who understand that the future belongs not to those who conquer, but to those who connect. This isn't just a political vision, it's a call to rise above, to create a world where every nation uplifts each other. Together, let's redefine power, bringing forth an era of global unity, of love, of peace. The choice of our time, a call to unity. In America, we stand at a crossroads. The upcoming election isn't just a choice of candidates, it's a choice about our values, our direction, our soul. Imagine a nation where every voice is heard, where unity is stronger than division. Picture leaders who serve with integrity, with humility, with love for the people. This isn't just about politics, it's about consciousness, about who we choose to be as a collective. Together, let's create a democracy that honors every voice, a government that serves with wisdom, a society that unites in purpose. Humanity's awakening beyond borders. At the heart of every challenge we face lies a single truth. We are one. We share this earth, this journey, this experience. Imagine a world where every person understands their connection to all life, where every choice is made with love, where every action uplifts the whole. Picture a future where nations collaborate, where communities thrive, where humanity rises together. This is the awakening, a shift from separation to oneness, from fear to love, from surviving to thriving. Together we are not just witnesses to this new world, we are its creators. Every thought, every choice, every heartbeat is part of the tapestry of transformation. This is our moment to rise. The final call, rising to our potential. So, as we close this journey, feel the power within you. Feel the connection to every being, to every life, to the entire world. Together we are the architects of a new earth, a world filled with peace, with compassion, with unity. The future is in our hands, and together we are unstoppable. Let's build a world that reflects the highest vibrations of love, of light, of truth. Awaken, unite, create. Together we rise.